Louise, we are in one of the beautiful apartments here in the Baytree in Greenwich. And Ardency is behind some of the most successful retirement villages in Australia. So what do you think is the secret ingredient behind Ardency's success?
We are in a beautiful apartment, and you can see by its space and its style how luxurious it is. Ardency actually is, and always has been, at the cutting edge of luxury retirement living. So it is partly our locations, it's partly our design, it's partly our ethos.
So what is Ardency's ethos?
Our fundamental thoughts with Ardency is to provide a life extraordinary. Moving out of the family home is not to be taken lightly. But once people come to an Ardency product, and particularly to the Baytree, the main comment I get is, I wish we'd done it 5 years ago. We're not talking about downsizing, we're talking about right-sizing. We're talking about a new home that actually has all the luxury facilities that you would want, but in a much more compact and manageable space.
I suppose I had a few preconceptions, shall we say,
Yes.
about retirement living, but this feels more like luxury living, to be honest.
We pride ourselves on being Australia's premium retirement resort, and we do use the word resort specifically because when you come to live with us here, you really feel like you're on a cruise ship, but you never actually have to get off. So we have 24-hour concierge service here. We have an indoor heated swimming pool and spa. We have a beautiful on-site restaurant, full a la carte. We have a bowling green, we have a cinema, we have a games room, and we have amazing pathways through beautifully landscaped gardens just to wander.
I want to talk more about your locations because it feels like the Ardency has got some of the most desirable postcodes on offer.
We sit on 1.4 hectares of manicured gardens. Now there's only 82 apartments here. It makes us very exclusive, very unique, very low rise, and honestly, it'll never be repeated in this location in Sydney. Our demographic, our buyers like to stay local, so they like to live in areas that they're used to. And that elevated luxury retirement living tends to go with those postcodes. So we do very specifically want to be in areas where our buyers are familiar so that they stay close to home, to family, to friends, places that they're used to, often over decades.
It really feels like you prioritise the lifestyle of your residents. What sort of recreational activities are on offer?
We have a structured portfolio of events that residents can actually participate in. So we have a wellbeing coordinator, we have a gym, we have musical events here. We've actually partnered with an opera company. We've got a fantastic library that actually also leads to author talks, and they come into the Baytree and they, deliver speeches about their latest offerings. So we've got a very vibrant connection here. The social aspect of living in any retirement village or resort is one of the key elements that actually encourage people to make that move in the first place.
Well, finally, Louise, I think that leads me on to my last question. You have developments in so many parts of Australia, but are there any more Ardency residences on the horizon?
We are actively looking for new opportunities right now. The luxury market for retirement living is a bit underserviced at the moment, and we certainly want to be at the forefront of providing the next best that is able to be offered.
Well, thank you so much, Louise. I really appreciate you talking to me. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.